How to save draft projects in Reelshot. Want to save your work and continue later? Here's how to save draft projects in Reelshot on your iPhone. While editing, tap the back arrow or menu to exit your project. The app will prompt you to save draft. Tap on it to keep your edits safe. You can now access saved drafts from the Home or Drafts tab. Tap a draft to open and continue editing anytime. This helps you work on videos in multiple sessions without losing progress. Do you save drafts often or finish in one go? Share about it in the comments below. Regularly save drafts to avoid losing work if the app closes unexpectedly. And that's how you can save draft projects in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.